let's do my 2024 makeup routine drugstore edition and what will be coming with me into 2025. First up, primers. My two favorite. This one was released at the end of 2024. This one, I don't know, but I used it all year. The Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. You can see I've used the absolute crap out of it. This is the niacinamide version because I have acne prone skin. Love this so much. They just released the matte version of the Power Grip Primer and I love it. It's definitely coming with me in 2025. I want to see how it performs in summer. Foundations, there were two specifically that I loved going into 2025. First of all, the Skin Silk from Revolution. You could not tell me this is drugstore. You could tell me this was high-end and I would believe you. Like, I would wholeheartedly believe you. But if you're oily, this in the summer by itself, don't do it. But this is where my second favorite foundation comes into play. The IRL Filter by Revolution. This foundation, super matte. I don't use it on its own, but I do mix it with this one and they, oh my gosh, they create the perfect base during the summer for me. And it helps me like not get too oily on really hot days. I would use this one on its own like a couple times, but I do find it a little bit drying. But together, these are my babies. But because it's winter, I'm just gonna go in with the Skin Silk. I do like 1.5 pumps and then I just stipple this on with my foundation brush. Next up is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealers. I love these. You can pry these from my cold dead hands. I've actually not tried another concealer all year because I just couldn't, like, once I love something, like, I'm just gonna keep buying it. I do have these in two shades, one for like covering blemishes and the other for brightening. This is the brightening shade in Fair Rose. Next up is the e.l.f. Liquid Camo and Bronzer Liquid Contour. I'm obsessed with these. When they came out with the Halo Glow ones, I did not like those. They went patchy on me no matter how hard I tried to blend it. It was like taking my foundation off with it. Couldn't stand it. These, oh my god, I've been waiting for a drugstore version of something like this because like I feel like the only good contour sticks are like really expensive and I don't know about you guys, but in this economy, I have a really round face, so I like to, you know. I've been lately doing right here and I've been obsessed with it. Just like lifts my face. I put these on both together so the words will follow me. I put my last brain cell is fighting for its life right now. I put the concealer on first so I can let it sit and get tacky and more coverage. And also it helps to keep it in the same place that you put it. When you try to blend it out when it's like really liquidy, it's gonna go everywhere. My problem with contour is if I see like even the littlest harshest line, I'm immediately gonna rectify that. You don't really ever really want to swipe liquid products because if you do, it's going to take off whatever's underneath it. Dude, I've had this brush for so long, it keeps shedding. And I like just refuse to buy another one. And I just take the butt of the brush and blend this up. You see what, if you know, you know. Like, I've been doing this concealer placement for so long that I don't even question it anymore. And sometimes like I see another girl do her concealer placement different. I'm like, oh, I want to try that, and then I don't do it. Before I get into blending my concealer, I'm gonna get my powder ready. You want your powder ready so you can start immediately. I'm using the, I hate the smell of this. I hate the smell of this. Like, it smells like old grandma perfume in the worst way. I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Sugar Cookie. I don't love this. I spent a lot of money on this. When I'm done with it, I will not be repurchasing this. This will not be coming into 2025 with me. It's not my favorite. I've used better drugstore powders and I don't have any drugstore powders right now. This is what I'm using. I'm trying to use it up because I just don't love it. It's not terrible. I see why people like it. Maybe if I got a different shade, I would have liked it. I was trying to go for like a light, bright, whatever. My favorite powder of all time is limited edition. It was the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. Oh my god. That powder I dream about every day. I dream about it. I miss it. The best things are limited edition. Okay, now I'm gonna blend out my concealer, really focusing on like the inner corner because I want to like, I'm gonna bring it up into my eye. Just going to take it up at an angle here just to lift. And like you just see that? Unreal, amazing. And then right as I'm done tapping, I'm gonna take my powder puff, some powder, dab it on the back of my hand. I'm going to immediately set that. Okay, I do like the Huda, but it's just not worth Like $38 freaking dollars. I could get a drugstore powder that does the same thing for like 10. I'm a drugstore girly till I die, okay? I also want to say in 2025, these will be coming with me, and this specific brand, because you can throw these in the washing machine and the dryer. So like I will literally toss these in my regular clothes, and I swap them out weekly because bacteria. They're the BS Mall. Come on, guys. It came in a pack of like 5 pink and 5 black. And they're great. Like, they're so fluffy, and like after washing they feel brand new. I'm gonna be using this to set the rest of my T-zone, and I'm gonna like kind of carve out here. I'm not going to be doing liquid blush in this video because I forgot to. The e.l.f. liquid blushes, the Camo blushes, phenomenal. Love these so much. Love. Not gonna be doing those because I forgot. The NYX Buttermelt Bronzers. These are so pigmented, almost to a fault, but I can't complain. I also don't love the way they smell. I'm gonna be real here. I'm a big like smell person with makeup. Just don't put smell into your makeup. It smells, like I don't even know how to say, I just don't love it. It smells like old bronzer. It smells like it's been sitting. These blend like a freaking dream. They're not joking when they call it buttermelt. Like, it melts like butter. So I barely tap it in the pan because, again, these are so pigmented. And then I also dusts away the bake as I'm doing this. Okay, next up is the e.l.f. Lash Enroll. I believe this is a dupe for the Benefit something. Shouldn't have even said anything if I don't know the name of it. I have it in the brown shade, which I just want to take a moment and thank God for telling makeup companies to stop doing just black mascara in the year 2024 and actually releasing multiple shades, because brown mascara is where it's at. I love this stuff because I can apply like 3 layers of it and it doesn't get clumpy, and it's just like one of my favorite mascaras I've ever used. Okay, I just did my half lash off camera. The next thing going into 2025 with me is the Milani Baked Blushes. These have been around forever, but they're so good. This is in Dolce Pink, and it has like the littlest bit of shimmer in it, so glowy and like healthy. And like, I don't love a super pigmented blush because I don't want to like be careful with overdoing it. Like, I want to be able to like build it up to the color I want. I do not have a highlighter that's following me into 2025, so if you want to drop some recommendations, I'm gonna be using this like beat up. One thing about Revolution packaging, they do not hold up well. I've noticed that. The Revolution highlighter Reloaded, just my type. It's good. It's good. Like, I don't have any complaints about it. But I just wasn't like wow about it, you know? Like, I want to wow with a drugstore highlighter, and I haven't found one that A, doesn't look crazy from front. Like, you can't see the streak. And B, like, looks super, like, glow. The next thing that will be following into 2025 with me is the Sacheu Lipstains. I love these. If you haven't tried these, try them. They're not that expensive. I feel like they're like $8 or $10. I have all the 3 most popular shades. I have Hazel, Nude, and Pink. I will say, I love all of these, but when I mix them, I love them even more. So the Nude one doesn't really show up on me. I use this to mix with either Pink or Hazel. I put Nude on top first, and before that dries, I'm gonna line with Hazel. Hazel's just a little dark for me, but mixed in, it kind of tones it down. It's just so like, it's so natural. I love it. Next up, e.l.f. lip oils. Oh my god. I have gone through, I'm not joking, I've never gone through this many things of a product. 6 tubes. I have a car one, I have a purse one, I have a home one. Pink Quartz is my favorite, but I do love the clear and the red. I want to try the brown one. I love these so much, and they don't feel like much, but they're so glossy, and they stay glossy for like a while, and they're hydrating too. I have a few honorable mentions that I didn't use in this video for this specific makeup look, but when I want to be bronzy, the e.l.f. bronzing drops, forget it. I put these on my neck. I feel like a goddess. You cannot tell me anything when I have these on. I also will put it under makeup if I'm super tan. But no, I'm not really tan right now, so I didn't use these. The Pixi On The Glow Superglow. Where has this been all my life? When I want like when I'm doing like no makeup, I literally just like put these on the tops of my cheekbones. Gorgeous. I also, if I'm wearing like a tank top, I put this on my shoulders and my cut. You cannot tell me anything. These two together, any like formal event, these two right here. The NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. Can I speak The NYX Epic Link Eyeliner. Link. You're lying to me. Get it together, please. The, it's not e.l.f. The NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. My favorite eyeliner. It's so easy to use. It's so pigmented. It stays. I will always use this. Honorable mention, when I'm not feeling doing my whole brow routine, the e.l.f. Wow Brow Tinted. Oh, it's so good. It like just adds so much to your brows in 2 seconds flat. When I'm going to the gym, like this is my go-to because my eyebrows are really sparse naturally, so this always coming with me. That is all the products that are coming into 2025 with me. Love them dearly. All drugstore, all affordable. If you guys have drugstore highlighter that you love, please tell me. Please recommend because I need one because that one's about to kick it. And please let me know all your favorite 2024 makeup products that are coming with you into 2025 because I could always use some recommendations. I don't shop a lot and I don't love trying new things because I like what I like at the end of the day. I will see you guys in my next video.